What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, I want to talk about Solana because I do think it's going to be one of the bigger winners come this next bull run, which is anticipated to begin Q1 2024. So honestly, for me, I'm thinking that we've already kind of entered into what seems to be the bull run, but let's go ahead and dive in. So first and foremost, you guys need to see Bitcoin, of course, up to $44,556 at the time of this recording. And that is because on the news of the SEC officially meeting with Fidelity to discuss its spot Bitcoin ETF earlier today. This was from Watcher Guru, and a lot of other news sources did verify that this information was true. ETH kind of consolidating at 2369, doing well. I always think that Ethereum is going to be a big winner as well. But what I look at is other layer one blockchains that have a lot of US based support. So with Solana, you could see as a layer one, it's up 6.4% on the day, outpacing Bitcoin. Cardano up 18% on the day. AVAX up 12% on the day. So you're seeing there's a common Polkadot up 7.79% on the day. You're seeing a very common theme amongst these top cryptocurrencies. But for Solana specifically, up 6.46% on the day. What you guys need to realize is on the year, we're up 437% year over year. And the last time we saw this kind of surge in Solana was in 2021 as the NFT market boomed. You see that we hit right around a $258.78 market cap for Sol. So overall, I do think Solana will not only break its all-time high, but of course surpass that significantly. Maybe $400 or $500 Solana is a very realistic price target come Q1 of next year. But I think overall, what we need to look at for Solana and other blockchains as well is why. Why are we seeing so much liquidity and things entering the market? Of course, with the spot Bitcoin ETF, the biggest issue for crypto is being solved, and that is a liquidity issue. There was not enough money to circulate into the market, and there wasn't enough stability and enough of a use case for people to start looking at it as, hey, we are looking to be an actual asset class that's legitimized for governments to invest in, for non-governments to invest in, and also to stay decentralized. And one of my favorite things about Solana specifically, I know it had a lot to do with, its initial downfall had a lot to do with the investment that FTX had within Solana. But take that all aside, and now that we're seeing this rally, understand that as a layer one, it is very powerful. It is much cheaper than ETH and its other counterparts. It's much more user-friendly. I started trading on Solana as a partner of the Myro coin on its meme side of things, on its decentralized blockchain using Jupiter Exchange and Radeon as dexes. It's been quite remarkable how much nicer and easier it is to use than things like the ETH blockchain or the Binance Smart Chain. So overall, it's looking pretty good. Now, just to see this little thing that popped up here on the side, you could see that first one Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap. That's some great news for Solana. Solana reaching a new all-time high reflects positive market sentiment, growing interest in its platform. So overall, we do see Solana, it says here, Solana reaches new all-time high in days since its last network outage. So you could see, based off timeline, May 27th, 2020, again through 2020, 2021, February 2023. So right now we've had the longest network uptime since its previous run all the way back before or early 2023 and even before that. So overall, the network has been stabilized. There are a lot of institutional investors already invested in Solana, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, asset manager venture capital firm in the United States, A16Z or Andreessen Horowitz, invested into the Solana blockchain. And how do I assess kind of what's going on in terms of the community side of things and how users are currently acting or utilizing certain blockchains? I go over to the dexes. So you could see, of course, for Myro, it's up 26% on the day. Other things like Bonk, the biggest meme coin on Solana, up 23% on the day. We're seeing a lot of volume, $31 million exchanged in the hands of traders. For Myro, $4.8 million exchanged in the hands of traders. So we're starting to see that liquidity flow back in to the Solana blockchain. And I do believe, based off its user friendliness and the ability for people to start trading on Solana, just making it so much easier than ETH and any other blockchain, it's going to be significant. And I think it could be one of the bigger winners come this next bull run. So I always say, don't leave your chips in your pocket. Instead, look at other opportunities. Don't stay away from something just because it's foreign to you or you're uncomfortable, right? For me, as an ETH maxi, if you will, someone who's always been around the Ethereum blockchain ever since 2021, when I was introduced to it through SHIBAINU, before it was even listed on centralized exchanges, I had to use MetaMask. I had to use Uniswap, utilizing those platforms. But again, after I realized how easy it is to actually use the Solana blockchain, it's been great. Yes, I was introduced to the blockchain through a meme coin, but my goodness, guys, it has been exceptional. If we go over to Myro, they've been very, very vocal. Even Raj, the co-founder of Solana, has been kind of viral about this specific project. But one of the things that I think is quite significant is if we look at volume, if we look at currently, aside from the memes, what's been happening in terms of just 24-hour trade volume and even the meme coin rankings, you could see ETH obviously leading the way. Bonk, being a Solana-based coin, is ranked third, and then we see Myro is currently ranked eighth. Quite significant if you ask me. So again, I look at it as, hey, this could be a big winner, right? Solana. And also in addition, Myro could also be a pretty significant winner on the Solana blockchain and even just overall. So again, leave your options open. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrencies in the market, but I want to make sure you guys are at least aware that, hey, there are some opportunities out there aside from the ETH market that might present some buying opportunities for you all to make some money on, right? That's ultimately why we're all here and why we're all in crypto, is we're interested in making money. And I do believe that there is money to be made, even if you just look into Solana itself, but looking into some of the meme coins or counterparts might also be pretty attractive and quite significant. I appreciate you guys so much. That's all I had for you. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing.